and guess what we found at Target today? We found the mini brand Gold Rush. So we've been seeing this all over TikTok, and maybe you guys seen it too, but it's super hard to find gold in regular ones. So we're super excited for the Gold Rush because it has all gold, but we are trying to find the ultra rare rose gold. Rose gold. It seems so awesome. And let's get opening. Yeah, so also our Target just got them in, so we're so excited. I'm gonna go first. I'm so excited because I really, I got gold once before, but that was the only time. And I'm so happy that they made all gold because it makes me feel special when I get gold. What about you, Kai? Do you like gold?
Of course I do. I love gold.
Let's find some rose gold. Okay. Whoa. So the first one I get, this one's kind of hard. I'll just do this one. This one's kind of hard. I'll just do this one. Okay, I got this one open. You got a gold. Oh my gosh. In the first one, I got Baby Bell Gold. It looks really nice and smooth. And it's made really well because it's super shiny and super cool. Next one, I got a gold. This is Crystal Light Lemonade. Whoa. Half a glass. Next one is, this one's kind of hard. Okay, I got it. It's a gold cart. It's a gold cart. So I have two more. I'm gonna open this one next. Whoa! A gold. It's a Country Time. It's lemonade. We're getting a lot of lemonades. Okay, last one. Hope, last magic. Oh, pizza, bagel bites. Whoa. And now I'm gonna build my gold cart. Okay, while you guys watch me open the Gold Rush mini brand. So I'm gonna start off by, oh, I did it wrong. Okay, I think I got this. I got it. Okay. It all stops in the middle. Did it. And peel this. ASMR, guys. Turn your volume up. ASMR. Let's let it bloom. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Okay, we're gonna do this one first. It's a seasoning salt and it's gold. It looks so cool. Okay, next one. Ooh, it's another not duplicate, but it's gold too. Of course it's gold. It's some cheese. Looks delicious. At least it's not a duplicate. Next one. Oh, I thought it was a rose gold because of the red, but it is a black pepper, pure ground. It's also not a duplicate. Okay, just no duplicates. That's all we're hoping for, and some rose gold. Is this a duplicate? No, it's not. It's an Old Bay seasoning. We have this non-gold. Imagine if this was a normal classified. That would be the best. Oh, it's a gold French fries. But you can't even tell it's gold. Oh, you can only tell because it's a golden crinkles. So squishy. Squish, squish, squish. So this is the last ball, and let's see what the chances are in getting rose gold in 3 balls. Turn your volume up for some ASMR. Rush cart or basket. It can roll.
ASMR.
Whoa.
Okay. Ooh, what is this? Let it bloom. 3, 2, 1.
Who's your first one?
This one.
Good feeling about this.
Oh, it's a duplicate.
Whoa.
Golden crinkles. Now we have 2 of them.
Okay, now I'm gonna choose mine. And choose this one. Whoa! It's
Paprika.
Organic paprika.
So we don't have that one.
Nice. No duplicate.
Yeah, there's duplicates.
Except I know. Okay, we're going for this one.
Oh,
almond breeze.
okay. Okay, not
That
bad.
looks cool. I'm
Okay.
gonna go for this one. I'm gonna go for this one. And it's
A gold.
shake and bake original pork. Whoa.
I'm gonna do it the different way.
Okay. Is it rose gold?
No, it's a duplicate. Here's the recap of what we got out of 3 balls. So we didn't get any rose gold, but these are really cool.
And my favorite is the cart because it's so cool and small. I love the gold color on it.
My favorite is probably the French fries because it's so squishy and I love the packaging.
If you love getting gold on 5 surprises, you guys should go get the 5 surprise gold rush.
It is so fun, it's so cool, and it's just amazing. And they're like tiny little foods, so I think it's so cool.
And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to
Like,